Craig Race thought he could take his time building his family's dream home. Now Race is living up to his last name, trying to finish the project before Guideline B20 comes into play.
We'll need to replace the construction financing we used to build it with a traditional mortgage, probably in December or January, right when these rules come into effect. We're going to rush to get the house done before the end of the year.
That's when Race and everyone else will need to budget extra money to prove his mortgage can pass a stress test, according to the new rule from the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions. That means meeting whatever is greater, the 5-year benchmark rate published by the Bank of Canada, or 2 percentage points higher than the contractual mortgage rate. Previously, the rule only applied to insured mortgages, where the buyer put less than 20% down. Now it will apply to non-insured mortgages too, which make up almost half of total mortgages in Canada. Broker Kim Gibbons says the new rules are too stringent and will reduce buyers' purchasing power by up to 20%.
For a household that has $100,000 in income, right now, at the very max that they could qualify for is a $770,000 purchase price. But with these new rules coming in, that drops down to $650,000. So that they're losing purchasing power by $120,000.
Toronto realtor Trevor Bond says the changes are necessary because he's seen overheated bidding wars push people to take on more than they can afford.
This is a healthy bout of medicine, and we should you should take heed.
He says stress tests can prevent people from financial trouble later.
If you don't qualify for something in 3 months that you qualify for now, you should really have a sober second thought about that purchasing decision.
Real estate experts say that's exactly what Canada's top banking regulator is trying to achieve.
OSFI is saying, hey, let's stop the race to the bottom here. Let's all take a step back. And that means whoever gets the house is going to be less stressed and prices might soften a little bit.
Davidoff says a cooler market might be just what many buyers need. Stephanie Skandaris, CBC News, Toronto.